Hey guys, it's your girl Design It's Me. Welcome back to Design It's Me Daily, where we design our own clothes, we design our own business, and we design our own lives. And in today's video, it's another Sunday set. A lot of you guys have been asking me to refilm this thumbhole cuff video in a fabric that was a little bit easier to see, maybe with a contrasting thread that was easier to see and follow along. So I decided to incorporate this thumbhole cuff tutorial in our Sunday set. Now, I have been in the ER over the last 24 hours, guys, and so I have not been able to finish this week's Sunday set in its entirety. So this is going to be part 1 of a part 2 video, and part 2 is going to be posted next week. So right now I'm just drafting the pattern for my thumbhole cuff. I'm drafting this in real time, and that is because I did not draft the pattern before. I literally just used a pattern that I had before to create my thumbhole cuffs, but I know a lot of you guys would appreciate being able to draft your pattern for yourself, so that is what I'm doing right now. I am starting off with a rectangle. The dimensions for this rectangle is 8 inches by 11 inches, so that is what I measured and drafted, and now I'm just cutting it out. Once I have my rectangle cut out and ready to go, I am just going to place my notches. So the first notch is going to measure 2 inches away from the edge of the page, and then the second notch measures 1.5 inches away from the first notch. And I'm doing that exact same thing to the other side. 2 inches away from the edge of the page, and then 1.5 inches away from that first notch. I'm doing that exact same thing to the other side of the page as well. And of course, these notches are being placed on the longer length of the page, the 11 inches length. Once I have my notches drawn on, this is basically what the pattern is going to look like, and I'm just going to draw a line to specify the dimensions of the page. So that side was 8 inches and this side is 11 inches in length. Now that we have our pattern ready to go, I am just going to specify the in-between measurement, so that 2 inches and that 1.5 inches. And then we're gonna call this the basic thumbhole cuff pattern. And we're gonna place the cut instructions, which is cut 2. So that is basically it for the pattern, guys. I am not going to be talking you guys through this video too much. I have been enjoying just creating and allowing you guys to follow along with me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin construction, and I hope that you guys enjoy.